What's up, Bulls? My name's Miranda, and I'm one of your peer advisor leaders here at USF. Peer advisor leaders, or PALs, are here to help you with questions or advice so that you can have a successful USF experience. In this #HowToCollege video, we're going to dive into downloading the Go Bulls Guides app and navigating the new Student and Family Guide. The Go Bulls Guide is one of the best resources to help you get connected and guide you through your first 50 days here at USF. The app includes student and family events, as well as important information and resources to help you get through your USF transition. First, download the Go Bulls Guide from the Apple or Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, open the Go Bulls Guide app. On the main page, you can find and download the new Student and Family Guide. The new Student and Family Guide gives you the opportunity to connect to campus through events, services, and helpful resources. You can view the navigation sidebar by tapping on the 3 bars on the top left of your screen. Here, you can see all the important events and services that new Student Connections and Parent and Family Programs offers. The new Student and Family event schedule shows all of the USF events happening around campus. Here, you can filter to find events specific for your needs. You can also view important dates and need-to-knows, which will show you the path to arrival checklist. Tapping on Explore the Network allows for students to sign up for the network, a program that connects students who share common interests into a community specific for their shared passions. Students can also request peer coaching from one of our PALs to get advice for navigating through his or her USF career. The new Student and Family Guide also has links to stay connected and get involved with new Student Connections and Parent and Family programs. Family can also register for Family and Friends Weekend, a great experience where USF families and friends can participate in a weekend-long event full of fun activities to show off your Bull pride. The guide also has additional links for parents and families to contact the Office of Parent and Family Programs. I hope this #HowToCollege video helps you understand how to use the new Student and Family Guide in the Go Bulls Guides app. Whether you're a new student living on campus, new student commuting, a returning student, or a USF parent, the Go Bulls Guides can help you with your USF experience.